So let's talk about USDCHF in this video and the opportunities that we have right here looking around. There is so much opportunity for us to make some decent amount of money from this market if we can be patient. We saw a breakout above these two fallen trend lines, but we also saw a very massive retracement. We also saw that this channel, this blue channel, the market broke above this channel, but now we saw a massive pullback, pulling back into the channel again, and also is right now at this key level. So we are seeing that this is an upside fake out. This very key level is very important. If we see price move back above this very place, then the upward move can continue. But if this fake out remains, that means that we will get an extended move to this bottom side of this channel. Then from here we begin to see the bullish move up again, because a fake out in one direction of a pattern will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. Okay, and we have imbalances below here, so we may see the markets come down to this very point depending on dollar strength. It's either we see the market return back to this very area, then from here we look for a bullish move up, or if we see the market bounce off from here and closes above this, that means this no longer becomes a fake out. We may see the price move up from there, but ultimately we're seeing that we are leaving lots of imbalances here, so price will certainly return back to this point. But the fact is that if this remains an upside fake out, then price will most likely return to the bottom of the channel, because a fake out in one direction will lead to an extended move to the opposite direction. It is from this very point there we begin to look for another move up. So all you need to do is to be aware that as long as price remains below this very point, we will be targeting the low of this channel. Okay, and as we reach the low of this channel, this whole area remains a support, a strong demand zone, and that could take price back to the top of this channel and then back to this very area. So that is exactly how you should be trading the USDCHF in the coming weeks. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next video. And also remember, my mobile trading accelerator course will be launched in few weeks time. So there is a massive 80% discount offer that is going on right now. I want you to take advantage of it. Go check the link in the description section or in my profile and to make sure you sign up for that course. Thank you for watching and do have a great day.